Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today, I'm probably not even gonna edit this all that much. So if it comes out to the point where it's just like I'm repeating myself, forgive me. This is as raw as it's gonna get. Today I was doing a lot of running around for good reason. We have this big play with we have this big business play that we're doing, not with Jeff. It's a different thing, but it involved me running around to dealerships and running around to other places and waiting on other people, and I felt like the entire day was hurry up and wait. And then running between Miami and Pompano to Miami to Pompano and today, like, I just don't understand. This is me. I prefer to be on time. I stress that so often. I don't like telling people that I'm gonna be late. And there's just something in me that hates it. So when I inevitably got everything, like when I got to my first step, the people that I needed to do this with just told me it was going to be a couple of hours until they followed through on what they committed to. And it's the stupidest thing because they said it would be done in the morning. They got it done at 3. And then by the time they got it done at 3, they got it. I was already I needed to get to a different appointment with this other thing. Because if I didn't do that, we had to wait on the diesel guy. And wait on the diesel guy. He took an hour to get there. I almost didn't want to pay him. Showing up an hour late after that. Oh, and after all of that was said and done, we needed to pick up a goddamn trailer with these goddamn trucks. And we missed out on a couple of days work, I think. But that also said, I'm going to give you guys the lowdown of that business that I'm working on. It in the near future. But that day is just not today. I am not in an emotional place right now to handle a full-length video going into that, and especially since it's 9:22 when I'm recording this, and that hence why you're going to get probably one of the most raw videos on the subject. Again, I am so sorry. I shouldn't give you guys 2 excuse videos in a row, but I am so sick of dealerships. I'm so sick of stupid people. I'm so sick of lies. I'm so sick of manipulations. But I know it's for a good reason. I know what I'm doing is a smart play. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button. Have a good night.